Alright, Rise and Grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2018 BMW X1. It's the SDRIVE 28i 2.0 turbo. So we're going to be doing the spark plugs. And I'm going to change out the coil packs, all of them. They wasn't too expensive, so I'm going to just do them all. And in another video I'm going to do the motor mount. So stick around for that. It's going to be that motor mount right there, front, upper right. And let's get it, man.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
So you pop that cover off. And these little notches, they're gonna come right out. Alright, you can see coil packs. We got an external bolt. Probably can use a 8 mil. You gotta take off these little, take everything off that's covering it. I just push that to the back just to uncover that. Now we got these tabs right here. Push these tabs back to unlock the coils. Push that tab in and then we can pull it out. Alright, since it was so hard to press the tab in, this is what I'm doing. Flat head, get in between there. That's it. Alright, we got all of those bolts out, E8. And I'm gonna just take a pry bar or a flat head, just get up under here and pop them out. Alright, we got them all out. Alright, we got our spark plugs. As you can't read them, this is what they look like. As you can see, that thread is not the same like a normal spark plug around. See, we got that 14 mil. I believe a 12 point. Alright, we got an extension on there, a swivel with that socket. If you try to put it down in there with that extension by itself, it'll just be straight without an angle, so it won't be able to catch. That's one of them. Well, we got Champion. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and finish taking them all out. Use your magnet to go ahead and grab it if you don't have the boot that holds inside. I lost mine, so it's a little rubber boot that holds it. And we got them out. You want to make sure you put some anti-seize on the threads before we install. Alright, once we get them in, you want to, before installing the new coils, the coil packs, you want to add boot grease to it. And some electric grease. So what you do here, just add some of this grease right at the tip on all of them and just install them. Alright, we got them in. Go ahead and add those new bolts. Alright, we got them in. We'll go ahead and add the new bolts. Alright, just like that, we done. Alright, man, hope the video helped out. We got the motor mount in the next video. You can click the link in the description. And until next time, man. Pull up, King.